Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Mrs. Blue, and here we have Dr. Pink. And it's time to announce some really major updates now, which are coming now in the very near future here on the channel. Some of you guys might have noticed that I'm doing many different things, and it's about time to combine all forces together to one thing. And there are two things which are really important in my work. One thing you probably already know is the Dr. Pink and learning guitar and the guitar world around Dr. Pink. And there's a second one coming. This is called Farbmusik. And Mrs. Blue is representing Farbmusik, and there there's a whole concept which I developed over many years, and I've done many concerts in the past where I improvise, I compose, I just interpret colors. It's a really unique approach, and I'm gonna bring this more into the channel here with the combination. Dr. Pink will still be here for you guys most of the time, for just, you know, to just learn guitar, to help you guys just to overcome major difficulties and all that stuff, learn how to play, I don't know, rock, blues. And Mrs. Blue is here for Farbmusik and brings in the vibe of Farbmusik here on the channel, where you also can learn, you know, of course, this technique. But Farbmusik is way more than just this technique. It's really a complete new concept of seeing music in a different way and experiencing music in a different way. Also in teaching music, completely different. It's more about the emotions and not so much about licks, which has always been the core here on the channel. And now it's going to be more highlighted, more specific, and more for you guys, that you can also enter this world. And it's going to be fun, and I hope you'll enjoy it and see the combination of this grow. And there's going to be video challenges, improvisation challenges, stuff, and it's really cool stuff coming. And it's about time to take this YouTube channel to a next level, to a more modern level, where you know, explore new ways of experiencing music beside the regular ones, which is the basis of the whole thing. You know, you need to know the basics before you can fly. That's normal, but that's how it is. And our team here, Dr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, we are here to open up a brand new world for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you guys really follow what we are doing.